Good morning. This is day 3 and looks like the sun is gonna come out today. Should be hopefully it's gonna be a sunny day all day. Yesterday was not bad. I did a lot. So this morning it's 5:30, 6 a.m. in the morning, and I'm changing the pulley system because the one I had was a test and they were not very strong. So let me show you the one I have. I had one for rock climbing. Yeah. So I have one there, one there. I moved a little bit this one to have a better. And for the bottom one, I went to Home Depot because I only had 2 here. So I bought these. They're not the best. I'm gonna probably go and bring 2 more from mainland, specialized. But yeah, that's what I'm doing this morning, fixing this. And then yesterday you saw I was doing this one here, the siding. So I have to keep doing it this way all the way over there. So the idea is to have like an arrow shape, so it will point this way. And I plan to paint it white because when the shades come from the palm tree here, it reflects the shape on this wall, and it's super nice. It was super nice when it was white. So if I put it white, semi-gloss, not matte or gloss, but semi-gloss, then I think it's going to look good. It's going to look like you know, the white wall there. So, all right, so I'll show you when I'm done with the stairs. So the sun is out. It's getting warm. But I had to go to Home Depot, get a little bit 1x2. But here's the result. I'm still working on it. Right? So I'm gonna continue. But here it's gonna be all horizontal. Only this part here, it's like arrow. That's the idea I wanted to do. Arrow. So it points the beach. Yeah, it's about noon, lunchtime, so I'm a little bit exhausted. Takes a lot of time just to do this one, and this one it took me about an hour, 2 hours. But I think this part here is going to be a little bit faster because it's straight, no angle, so should be better. So it's getting pretty hot, so I'm decided to stay inside a little bit. So I did some spray foam inside. This side here, I'm gonna do a Murphy bed here. So right there, and let me show you what I did outside earlier. There we go. That's it to do the next one, but I'm gonna wait until the sun turn around a little bit. It's too hot. So it's about 3 p.m. I've been working on my siding, and also here. Here's what I did to fix the stairs when I'm up there. So I'm gonna put a 2x4, so this way the stairs gonna sit on it, and then yeah, that's I started continue working here. It's a lot of work. So in between I'm gonna do caulking, and I'm gonna paint it white. That's all what my wife told me to do, so and that makes sense. That's what I wanted to do. But all right, so one more, and then I have one more to end. So I have two more to do. So the way I do it is I pre-drill the holes on the other side, so I know where to put the screws. About 4. It's 4 feet, so at 3 feet I put one. Alright, so I'm done for the day. I have one more plywood that I need to go get. I just need 3 feet. So I don't know if you see the shades, but when it's white it's gonna be even better. Yeah, I'm gonna paint that Friday. So today was day 3.